Hey there! Are you a budding 3D game artist looking to beef up your workflow and better understand the game asset pipeline? If so, I've got the course for you. Now, if you don't know who I am, I'm Chunk Trafficander, and I've worked as a 3D generalist in the indie game scene since 2016, now currently working in AAA as a material artist. You may recognize me, or at the very least my voice, from the Get Learnt YouTube channel, where I also teach game development techniques and software. Heck, you might be even watching this from my YouTube, so hey there. So why take this course? Many courses take a click here, press that style of approach to learning, of which you really only learn how to press buttons in one software package. Now, we won't be taking that approach here, because I want to encourage you to truly understand why we are doing the things we're doing. After watching this course, you will have the confidence and understanding of not only what a complete game asset workflow is, but why each stage is important, and you'll be armed with several production-efficient techniques to make the workflow truly your own. In this course, we're going to cover a lot of ground. From start to finish, we're going to explore modeling from reference in Blender, efficiently unwrapping our model, developing several materials in Substance Designer, building our assets textures in Substance Painter, retopologizing for a game engine environment, and portfolio renders using both Blender and Marmoset Toolbag 4. I've designed this course for the budding 3D game artists who are looking to beef up their game asset workflow, but have also maybe struggled to fully understand all that can go into the game asset pipeline. If you're still unsure, I've got over an hour of free content from this course that you can go ahead and watch to help ensure this course is for you. Make sure to watch my YouTube as well to get a sense of who I am and help determine if my teaching style is going to work for you. This course is bursting at the seams with content, and I cannot wait to share it with you. I'm looking forward to our time together, and I'll see you in the first episode.